Hey guys, what is up? This is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Today we're starting a new mod update series and this is going to be for my device mod. Now if you're not sure what my device mod is, it's basically a mod where I add in a laptop and another device which is still soon to be announced, so I don't want to reveal it right now, but I've basically added in a laptop so far. And if you watch my live streams, it's actually changed a lot since then. I only just added in the laptop in the live streams. This week I've actually been working on the laptop quite a lot and there's something amazing I want to show you guys, and I'm quite happy with myself. Like, I've actually been able to do this. I didn't realize I would be able to do it. Now before I go ahead and continue this update, I want to let you know that I'm posting a lot of sneak peeks over on my Twitter, so if you have been following, you would know what I'm about to show off. But if you're not following me on Twitter, I definitely suggest you go do it so you can get the latest up-to-date information and sneak peeks on this mod. But let's go ahead and let's start now. So let's just hop off my comfy couch there. I was relaxing for quite some time, and let's hop on, well, let's not hop on my chair yet. Let's open up the laptop here. So this here is the laptop, and if you don't know, this is actually based off a real laptop in real life, and I'll link you to that video where I actually unbox it, so I'll put a card up on the screen right now. But let's go ahead and open this open this laptop by shift and right clicking. As you can see, it's got a really nice animation. Before it was a little bit glitchy in the live stream, but now I fixed it up and it is really nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and hop in my office chair here and let's open up the laptop. And this here is the operating system I'm designing for the laptop. It's really basic right now, but in the future there's going to be a whole lot new features. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this. So we've got a nice wallpaper at the back here. We've got a little app bar down the bottom, or taskbar, whatever you want to call it. On the right here down the bottom, we're eventually going to have the world time displayed there. I just haven't worked on that yet. But on this left side here, we've got, this is basically the app tray. So all your apps that you install will be placed in this app tray down here. And in the future, I'm going to be adding in an app store as well, which you'll be able to download apps from, and then once they're installed, they will display in this bar here. These arrows simply just for when there's more than 8 apps installed, you'll be able to scroll through them all. To the right here, we've got a little settings app, and we'll get to that in a second. And the one app we've got installed so far is Note Stash, and this is probably going to be on the computer or the laptop by default. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at the Note Stash app, and this is something that I've just literally been testing around with. It's not anything final, but it eventually will be a proper app. So what we have here is a nice text area and then a save button. So the cool thing with apps, and this is just a feature with them in kind of the programming, is that you'll be able to save information like for each individual app. So let's go, hello Mr. Crayfish, would you like some cheese and crackers? Whoops. Then we can go ahead, press the save button here. We can close that off by pressing this cross button at the top right here. And if we were to just exit the laptop and then just say we do our thing for a little bit, we come back, we can go back onto our laptop here, click on Note Stash, and as you can see, the message is still saved there. So that's a really cool thing. Now if we actually click and hold on the top of this window here, so we click on that top bar, we can actually move the window around. So how awesome is this? So if you actually push it up against the sides, it's going to stay within the frame. It's not going to move anywhere. So that's just a really cool thing about Windows, or basically any window that's opened up on the operating system here. Go ahead and close that off now. Now we're going to go into the settings app here. Now there's only one option, there's only one setting in this settings menu here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at it now. So this opens up a little window here where we get an option to change the wallpaper. So I'm not sure if this is going to be the default wallpaper. I think I'm going to change them because I don't think it's honestly the best screen or best wallpaper you could have. But let's go ahead and let's just cycle through all the wallpapers that we can get so far. So we're just going to press this right button. We've got a nice one here. That's pretty awesome. Then we've just got like a dragon one here with the it's basically the dragon's getting healed. And that's it. So you can change the wallpaper on your laptop. So if we close it off, we've set it to this one. We can leave the laptop. We can come back. And as you can see, it's still got the same background there. We might go to number 3 now, because I like that one. I'm in a different mood. You can come back. Still there, so it saves which wallpaper you've currently got on. Now you guys might be super excited about this, but there's something even cooler, and I think this is going to be probably the best thing about this device mod, and that is that I'm going to be adding in an API. Now what this means is that developers will be able to use this API to create their own applications which can be installed on the laptop. Now by default I'll probably create like 5 or 6 applications, but then mod developers or even myself, I might further develop more applications. They'll be up for separate downloads, so you'll be able to put these basically add-ons into your mod folder, and then in the app store that I mentioned just before, you'll be able to go in there and purchase those apps to be installed. Now don't get confused when I say purchased there, I actually just mean using emeralds or something from in-game, not real money, because that is actually against the basically the end user license agreement of Minecraft. Now that is actually going to wrap up this video today. That's basically all I wanted to show off, is just what I've done so far, and this is just pretty much, this is pretty major progress. Might not seem like it on the front end here, but in the back end, I've basically developed a system which allows me to develop all these type of applications, and I'm still kind of adding more components. So right now this is like a text area. There's going to be, I'll probably develop my own text field component. There will also be like button list, and selection lists. I don't know, there's still a little bit more to do so people can develop full-fledged applications, but so far the progress is quite amazing. Now make sure you guys snap that like button. We want to break it because this laptop is just absolutely awesome. Again, if you have any ideas for a name for the operating system, let me know down in the comments below. Now I am going to be doing a live stream this weekend hopefully, and when I do it, I'm going to be developing some apps, so you'll be able to suggest some app ideas in the live stream. You can even suggest them now if you want to, and I can get a head start if I like any of them. But that's it, I will see you guys later. Subscribe if you want to keep up to date with these device mod updates, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye!